Happy New Year to everyone, and I'm so happy that this is a book about my memories, very little memories, which is under the context of Navarasas. So every rasam, like if I take Sringara, and a few memories which comes under Sringara is written in the first chapter. So like that, it has 9 chapters with 9 rasas. It's a very small and cute book. Nothing controversial, nothing so serious about it. But still, it has a flow and it has my memories in it. And those who likes to read it or those who love me or those kind of people can read it. I'm so happy and thankful to Janet who took an effort to translate it into Kannada. It's not an easy job. And I'm sorry that I cannot speak in Kannada because it's been quite few years that I'm not talking to anyone in Kannada. So I completely forgot that little few words also which I used to speak.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಏನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹವ್ಯಾಸ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂತು ಬರೆಯುವಂಥ ಹವ್ಯಾಸ
I just told in the function that it was not, it was just an accident. Someone means a friend of mine from a magazine who came to me to take an interview. And the way I narrated each rasa, he felt, just one rasa I was talking to him and he felt that I should write that and give it to them. So I was just writing that 9 chapters to the magazine. Then they wanted to release it as a book. And that's how it happened. So I am not a prolific writer as such, but I always have an inclination towards writing too. I read, so of course I just write.
ಒಂದು ಬಯೋಪಿಕ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಏಜ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಯೋಪಿಕ್
Biopic illa. This is not a this is not an autobiography. It has only 9 chapters which talks about the 9 rasas, Navarasas, Shrinkaram, Hasyam. They have written it like that. That's what I cleared it. It's not an autobiography because my autobiography will not be in this small book. Okay? And it's 100% going to be controversial. So it will come only at the age of 55, 65 I'm alive. Artha Gitta.
ಓಕೆ ಎನಿ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
Kannada, actually, I'm not listening to much scripts and all. I don't have much contact with Kannada people. Even they don't have any contact with me. Even they might not be knowing how to contact me. It just happened, the one thing which happened was Drishya. So I just did a film in Malayalam after 8 years of break. And that is how I wanted it to be. I was listening to script and finally I selected one film and that is Uruthi. And it is going to hit the theatres when the restriction is over. The restriction of lockdown, the corona is going on. So once the restriction is over, then it will come to theatres. And I pray to God and I expect all the people and the film lovers to watch it. And please do watch it when it comes to Bangalore. And if at all I get a good film, I will definitely come back to Kannada too.
ಓಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನೀವು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮೂವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅವಾಗ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತದೆ ತುಂಬ
Remember is Gaja. The thing which, because every fans they write about Gaja and Drishyam also. Drishya also. Because when you open Instagram or Facebook, you get messages in the inbox or maybe below the pictures, they will be commenting and all. So most of them write about the film Gaja. Tumba nodidre, so many numbers and all, nodidre, they will write. So they say, sorry.
ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
Huh?
ಒಂದು ಮಾಸ್ ಮೂವಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೂವಿ
Okay.
ದೃಶ್ಯ
One is Malayalam remake, one is Telugu remake. So, one is mass and one is class. Anyways.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Thank you.